Hey guys, welcome back to Miniature Mayhem, where we discuss about Hot Wheels. On today's video, we are going to talk about the 1957 Jeep FC. FC meaning forward control. So this car is part of the Baja Blazer series, and this is the sixth car out of the 10 cars that is available on the series. Technically speaking, this is not a car, this is a truck, right? And then I got this for rupees 149 in India. So let's quickly unbox this car. Let me get this out of the package. And we'll move this aside. What a nice truck. And some of these wheels on this truck feels a bit flimsy. Like you see, it moves around a lot. The body feels good, but then the wheels, they don't really feel nice. And if you notice, like somehow both the wheels are spinning. Anyways, let's get to that later. The body feels good. The body is made of a metal flake blue color, and then the headlight detailing is pretty good. Like if you see, it's a paint job. It's half paint job and half they have given the details also for the grille. And then you see over here that it is mentioned as Jeep. And then even on top of it, because this is an off-road vehicle, there are also floodlights that are being given over here. And then you can see there's also a spare wheel that is given over here. Other than that, on the side, if you can see the detailing, it says 4-wheel drive Elephant. Now what exactly is this Elephant is? Jeep had a variant which was called a Elephant, which was basically the top end model, right? And then if you notice the bottom over here, it says it is made in Malaysia, and then the 1957 Jeep FC. Now this is a new casting for 2023, and also this is designed by Phil Riehlman. Now if you remember, even in our previous video, the Automobili Pininfarina Battista, right? So that was also designed by Phil Riehlman. I'll just link it up in the I button so you can have a look at that video as well. Now, like I mentioned, this is the sixth car in the Baja Blazer series. And then this Jeep forward control, it's a series of trucks that is produced by Willys Motors from 1956 to 1965. And this was mainly marketed for commercial purpose, military use, or something like these municipal trucks, right? Like which would collect garbage, or even something like a fire truck, right? So this is how that is how this was marketed in the initial phase. And later they got this into rallying and stuff. The wheels that you are seeing here is actually meant for off-road. This is a BLOR type wheel, which basically means bed-lock off-road wheels. And then, like I mentioned, this truck is originally designed by Willys Motors in 1956 Ohio. And then the engine layout on this truck, it came in different variants, right? Because like I mentioned, this was used for military, and then this was used for other commercial purposes. The roll on this is pretty good. Like it's quite smooth, even though I mentioned this wheel, it's not really that great. Like it feels very cheap quality, but still the roll, oh my god, it goes pretty fast for a truck. Maybe it's because of the weight on this and then the momentum on this, right? So coming back to the engine layout, like I mentioned, it has different variants. It has a front engine layout, and it's a 4-wheel drive. Then this came in a 2.2 liter inline 4 engine variant, and the top end, if I'm not wrong, had a 4.5 liter V8 engine. Like imagine like truck having a V8 engine in 1956. Oh my god, that's crazy. And then this came in with a 3-speed manual or a 4-speed manual, and then if you wanted an automatic, you would buy a 3-speed automatic. And then the fun fact about this, like while I was doing the research on this the truck, right, the fun fact I learned is Mahindra from Bombay actually bought 75 knockdown units of this truck, and then they started selling this in India. That's basically how Mahindra and Mahindra started their business in India. that's a pretty cool thing to learn. And then yeah, that's it for this video. I mean, if you see the windows, it's pretty cool, and then the detailing over here in terms of the seats and all, and also the mirrors, it's pretty good. The Jeep itself, I mean the truck, right, it's very nicely built. It is a bit heavy. The only downside I probably felt are the wheels. Maybe that's how these wheels are, but not a really big fan of it. But then it rolls pretty well. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button or else hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.